Juan Santana here with Home Team Mortgage, Senior Mortgage here to provide you some great news and updates. Today we're going to talk about pre-qualification versus pre-approval. A lot of clients, a lot of referral partners, a lot of people, even today's day and age with information, still do not understand the difference between a pre-qualification and a pre-approval. Let's go over that now. Pre-qualification. Pre-qualification is someone where you call a mortgage professional and you give them verbal information about three things: income, your credit, and your assets. None of that information is verified via documentation. A letter is produced to give you a pre-qualification based on verbal information you gave to a mortgage professional, and a letter is determined based on that information to give you a pre-qualification of what you qualify for. Now, let's talk about pre-approval. Pre-approval means that you are going to be pre-approved to buy a home, either for that specific home that you're applying for or for a general home in the area that you're looking for. A pre-approval is when the loan officer actually takes your credit, income documentation, and your asset documentation, verifies in documentation, in writing, gets you a pre-underwriting pre-approval where it's already vetted by the bank and you're ready to make an offer, a strong offer on a home that you're looking to buy. A lot of people get confused and a lot of misconceptions, thinking they're both one and the same. One of the best things about a pre-approval is that you are already pre-verified and pre-vetted by the bank. A pre-qualification is just verbal information given by the client. What are your down payment options? That's a great question I get from a lot of clients, referral partners, and past clients. And a lot of people believe that 20% down is the minimum needed to buy a home in today's market. That is absolutely not true. And multiple markets in multiple areas, depending on the type of client that you are, you can buy a house with zero down. If you're a veteran in this country, you absolutely can buy a house as a primary residence with zero down. Contact me for that information. If you're a first-time home buyer, there are multiple options for you with as little as some counties and some states allow you to put 1% down out of pocket. That's right, 1% down out of pocket. And the rest can be gifted or can come from various sources, including communitizations or grants, etc., or your own liquid assets. Additionally, if you're looking for a multifamily, mixed use, there are different program requirements for those, but just be aware that you can put as little as 1% down or as much as 50% down, depending on your qualifications, what your goals and strategies are. Everybody's talking about what's the obvious. The Federal Reserve continues to hike rates in the current environment, and we're going to talk about when to lock a rate. Every time, every client asks me, when do I lock my rate? How do I lock my rate? Everybody has to understand that a rate lock has to be made a decision based on multiple factors at the time of contract, depending on where you're buying or during the process. Everybody has an individual, unique situation, depending on their credit, their income, the type of program they're utilizing, which way we're proceeding to get you the best deal possible. So a rate lock is not just something like, yes, please lock my rate. We have to understand exactly what we're going to put you, what position, what position we're going to take, how long is the closing going to take, are we in a state where we're closing in 30 days, or is this something that's going to take about 60, 90 days? Very important to leverage yourself the right way, capture the best that you can in the market, and align yourself with a professional that can give you the best guidance in today's market. Attention agents, are your buyers losing out on their next home to all cash offers? Not a problem. Looks like a cash buyer to any seller and win the bid with our cash purchase offer program. Attention agents, are your clients scared to sell? Tell them not to worry. Sellers can now list their home at their own pace. We will use their current equity to allow them to afford their next down payment. They can now hold on to their current property while purchasing their new home. We leverage their equity in order to bridge down their down payment. This is part of our new bridge loan program here at Home Team Mortgage. Want to make your offer stand out? We can now close in 21 days guaranteed. Beat out other buyers to the closing table by offering a fast closing. We guarantee that the deal will close in 21 days. Contact me for more information.